Hi everyone, I'd like to welcome you to this Wealthy Education Technical Analysis Trading course. I'd like to walk you through a little bit of what we have in store in the course for you. So without further ado, let's get into what the course is about. First, we'll walk you through how to read a stock chart. We'll talk about some technical indicators, how to use those to increase your trading probabilities, and combine them with other indicators and chart patterns. We'll also look at a few technical oscillators, what exactly those are, how they're designed, and what they tell you about where a stock is headed, whether it's in an overbought or oversold condition, and whether the oscillator sees a turn in the trend the stock is in. We'll look at a few chart patterns. We'll look at some continuation patterns that give us an opportunity to buy into a stock that's already in a bullish trend, or perhaps short a stock that's in a bearish trend. We'll also look at candlesticks and a few candlestick patterns, including how to read a candlestick and what the candlestick is telling us. Combined with all of these, we'll talk about trading psychology, what all of the indicators and patterns tell us about what investors are thinking when we see price movement in a stock, and how being able to read investor psychology, especially around support and resistance levels, can add a lot of percentage points to your trading. As we go through the course, as I said, we'll talk about analyzing a stock chart. We're going to talk about line charts and bar charts and candlestick charts. We'll talk about how to use support and resistance and how they can set you up for entry and exit points in a stock, which give you a high probability of winning. We'll talk about how to use the technical indicators and oscillators to predict both upcoming trends as well as continuations in trends and trend reversals. And we're going to talk about chart patterns and how those can also help you identify trend reversals and trend continuations. With each of the items that we cover, we'll show a real-world example on a chart so that you can see how to use the indicators or how to read the chart patterns and apply them in your trading. So with that, and I'd like to welcome you to this course, and I'll see you inside.